If you're watching this video, then you are just moments away from changing your life. What if I told you that if you were to click the link in the description of this video provided by Hack My Life, you would be presented with the keys to truly change your life for the better. Strategies so powerful you can begin to see changes in an hour. Strategies that you can put towards goals such as wealth, getting rid of diseases, your appearance, confidence, a new job, relocation, or even stopping hair loss. Any problem or concern you have in life, this strategy will help you, no matter who you are. For some odd reason, you stumbled upon this video, and in the future, you will be happy that you did, depending on what you did with the information that was provided to you. If lately you have been feeling like something big is about to happen in your life, then this is it. I'm sure you've heard that plenty of times, but I promise that this will be the one that changes everything. Now that 2020 is here, what better time to make a huge and positive change in your life? So are you ready to take the chance? Or will you let another year go by living a life that you don't want to live? The clock is ticking and the choice is yours. This video is brought to you by Hack My Life.